What is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and today we're going to be checking out my buddy's 900 wheel horsepower GT350R. So he just pulled up right now. This car is absolutely insane. Let's go check it out. I'm in my girlfriend's apartment right now within Orlando because I'm moving back to Gainesville for UF. So my semester already started. I was stuck in quarantine, but now I got to go back. So we just got to hop outside and we'll see that insane GT350R. I say this car is insane. It's absolutely breathtaking. So you'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. If we walk around the corner, Sally and them are parked right there. The lineup right here, so we have Jake's GT350R. This thing's absolutely insane. He has an aftermarket alternator right there. So there's the Procharger. That thing is nuts. Crapping in my pants right now because this is like the coolest car I've ever seen. What, Sophia? We gotta go take a look at the interior. You can see he has all these gauges and he's gonna explain what he's got going on there. So what's the top one for?
So the top is my E85 content. The middle one is a boost gauge and the bottom is air to fuel.
Damn, that's insane. Look at this interior. And then he's got that titanium racing shift knob. Harnesses and a full roll cage. Did you see that?
Yes, I saw that.
This thing is nuts. Oh my God. Full titanium exhaust. Honestly, this puts my whole build to shame. Like, it ain't nothing compared to this. This thing is crazy. In fact, the wing on the GT350R is actually the same as mine. It's carbon, but it's painted, so you can't see it. It looks like a regular wing, but it's not. Thing with the wheels. So the GT500 carbon fiber track pack has the full carbon wheels. Now these are carbon fiber too, but they're just painted just like the spoiler. Quick little startup. It's already warm though. Full titanium exhaust. I think it's $8,000, something like that total. I'll hop in the cars and move them to the front so we can get better lighting. You can't even hear our cars over Sophia's. Sophia has the loudest car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Sally has been put to shame, but let's start her. What are you doing? He's rolling out. This thing is insane. That's a build. That's a build. Sally's nothing compared to that thing. Jesus, we gotta go for a ride in there. And I'm actually gonna use a draggy to measure a 60 to 130 time. Now he doesn't hook at all because he's on those Pilot Sport Cup 2s from the factory. So it's a bit sketchy, but the car will not hook. All right, so here we go. Just a 5.0. Oh, I just stalled. Nice. I didn't want to rev her up because she wasn't cold. I mean, it wasn't hot yet. Since I had to let my car warm up, I fell behind them a little bit, so they're probably wondering where I went. And I can't wait to pull up with this thing and make these videos. Like, the GoPro pulls in there is gonna be nuts. I'm gonna put the camera on him and I'm gonna record at the same time. We're gonna see if we can find a road out here in Mexico where we can do a pull because it's super busy out here on I-Tijuana and we're not sure if we can do it. Gotta be more like Cody and put your face in the camera. Currently looking for some E85 because he's running low on gas. So you have to use a special app actually, and it shows you all the gas stations with E85. Honestly, I just can't believe that car. I might have to build a GT350R. Now I know the Gen 1 Voodoo isn't that good for boost, and that happens to be a 2016. So it might be a little sketchy, but I think it might last. It depends on the driver. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I want to hear his blow. God, man. Bro, Sally is a f***ing car, man. Seeing this car makes me want to get on E85 with a build trans like this. I'm gonna have to do it. Like, no more games. That car is nuts. Just listen to this. The idle's even loud. Jesus. Dude, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Cody. Cody, how are you doing today, man? I missed you since like the whole 5 hours last time I saw you.
You know, I'm chilling, tired.
Car looks so mean with the Procharger. You can literally see the intercooler on the front, man. That is sick. Right now, we're currently on the way to a gas station with E85, and then we're gonna find a spot where he can do some pulls. So I'm excited to get some flyby clips, and I'm gonna go inside of there too, so I can get an inside perspective. Cody said he was tired, so we're making a stop at the vitamin shop.
Yeah, I'm the one that's tired.
Yeah. All right, so here's what we need. Cody, which one do you want? The mango?
Yeah.
Change of plans. Cody and I and Sophia all are gonna go eat at Sonny's or Sony's. I don't even know how you're supposed to say. How are you supposed to say it?
I think it's Sonny's.
Yeah. So
we're sponsored video.
We all just destroyed lunch like I destroyed Cody and both of 5-0, but we're going to the spot now so we can do a couple of, not launches, but like half throttle rolls so you can see what his car sounds like.
All right guys, Toby's in the bathroom, but I got his car keys, so we're gonna start his car and get a start and piss him off real quick.
Still can't get over how clean that thing looks. I'm telling you guys, I need to do GT350R build, but that's gonna have big money because I do it on a built engine. This has gotta be one of the nastiest Mustang builds in Florida. Just pulled up to the spot, so we're gonna be able to get some awesome sound clips of him flying by. He's checking out something under the hood right now. Let's go see what's up. This is the spot out here in Mexico where you can do like a run. So it's a private road and it's just a straight shot. You go straight down. Cody, what are you doing? So we're gonna do a quick little first gear pull. Hopefully we don't roast the tire though. It's fun.
Yeah, this thing pulls off the line.
Yeah, it does. It's like a low-end car. It's a drag. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's for the quarter mile. Now everything went off again. You see that glitch? All right, one more for the boys.
We're making popcorn in this.
Burbles like crazy. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun in the low end. It really goes. Now it's time to get a real ride in the race car. So this is the real race car. Jeez, man, this thing is so sick. GT350R there. Yes, sir. All the gauges.
Other side.
Other side? Like that?
That one goes like that.
And then you take the one on the bottom?
I would do the bottom ones first.
Yo, what the heck?
Hold on.
I'm all strapped in with a 5-point harness. You ready to do this? So I think he's gonna do a third gear pull, right?
I mean, we could do second just to warm them up and then try and roll into third.
Oh my god.
I just don't know if I have enough room for third.
So that's vacuum or boost there?
Well, vacuum, and then it'll go in a boost.
Show boost.
It'll go from 0 to whatever.
Oh my god, dude. It feels like you're gonna break everything with that much power.
2,000 horsepower axles.
Jesus Christ, dude. Oh my god. And my car's such a car compared to this.
No, it's... Okay. Alright.
Bro! Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Okay, you kind of came close on that one, not gonna lie. You need a highway roll.
I told you, yeah.
Oh my god, Jesus Christ, this thing is insane. 900 wheels. This thing's a kind of a death trap. Not
I'm telling you, dude, it stresses me.
I lost my guts, dude. My stomach is in my hands right now.
I'm gonna take a breather.
It's honestly too much. Like, I don't know if I want to go to 900 wheel in my car now that I've been in this thing. Like, it just scares me. It's like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but at the top end, it's like a turbo. It's not even like a supercharger, because mine starts dying in the top end.
Yeah.
But dude, this thing keeps pulling past like 8,000. I'm like,
It pulls right to the end.
that's what I'm like. I want to feel what this Tremec feels like compared to the MT82. Oh yeah, so that's super stiff. I think you have a Barton, right?
I do, Barton's front.
Yeah, so this is super stiff. The MT82 is like a wobble fest. In gear, you can wobble it back and forth. Now I'm gonna go full on the outside. Oh my god. Jesus. Here it comes again. Man. Oh my god, man. Jesus Christ. Hi, Max.
Toby's back from Chile. From
It's been a long
quarantine
time
finally.
since I've seen you, bro.
What's up, bro?
How you doing? When are you getting the tires? New tires?
They're on.
Oh, they're on already? Yeah. They look good. No more bald tread. So Jake's exhaust actually ended up breaking, and Max did a pull or two after he pulled up, and now his battery is completely dead. So we gotta make a run to Walmart in Sally to see what we can do to fix both of the cars now. So we're gonna jump in the green machine and head to Walmart real quick. Back there?
Oh, I'm loving life right now.
Not the most comfortable.
How do you
You're
do
coming-
this? I don't drive Camaro, Mustangs.
Mr. Camaro.
blows the muffler off.
Battery,
I think
bro.
we're just gonna straight pipe right now.
We just pulled up to Walmart, so we're gonna try to get both of the boys' cars sorted. So let's go inside. It scares me, man. Like,
Well, that's what happened. I think it was a flame that blew the muffler off the pipe.
Possibly.
That's what I think.
no, because I saw when you did the second gear pull, a little baby flame came out.
Yeah, I think it just blew it. They just blew the muffler off the friggin' pipe.
It'd be easier if you had a ratchet than a socket.
Okay.
Which size socket?
What size? Well, I hope this does the job.
It will, it will. I got you. Video? Yeah, nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you. Have a good day.
Good luck, man.
I'll take care of her.
As if it's paid or not.
Unfortunately, Max could not find a jumper cable within Walmart, so
Or the battery.
baby.
Or the battery. Why do Camaros take AGMs?
I
Why
don't
can't
know.
they just take a normal battery, bro?
If you have a fast car, you might well get yourself an old AAA Gold card, man. Yeah.
we're fixing Jake's exhaust. We got Mr. Bob the Builder right here. He's coming in clutch. Careful there, Bob. Come on, don't cut yourself. You got it, Cody?
Almost.
Yep. Almost there. Oh, mechanic here, Mr. Cody. Fixes my car because I can't do my own work either. Hey, Cody.
What's
You
up,
look
cutie?
cute, man. Appreciate you.
Guys, so Toby did 2 little pulls right there. I think I'm gonna go try to convince him to let me show him how it's done because he doesn't know how to drive his own car, just like he can't work on it. So if you see me in a pool, that's what it is. If not, Toby, cut the out, please.
This is Max's first time hearing the GT350R, so we're gonna get his reaction. I'm gonna. Max, you ready?
No.
I just, honestly, I don't think you know what's coming, man.
No, I don't.
Here he goes. Max has no idea what's coming. Even from so far, it's so loud. Here comes the pull, so that thing is screaming from so far away. I bet you Max just himself completely. The Red Max shot. He's his pants. Oh my god. Yo, what'd you think, Max?
It sounded like you did a harder pull than.
Right now I'm just chilling at the gas station. I actually just fueled Sally up, but we're pretty much done with doing pulls in the GT350R. That was one of an experience, and now I'm kind of having second guesses as to whether or not I want to get Sally to 900 wheel. I just feel like it's way too much power and you can't even hook. Like, he was spinning all the way to 100 miles an hour on every single pull. So is it really worth it? I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna go back home and meet up with Sophia because we are going to dinner together. So I'm not gonna put that part in the vlog. I honestly had a blast today. We need to get back home though. So I did do a ton of pulls. It was like going to the drag strip without actually going to the drag strip. And no, I didn't launch the car, but the first gear pulls were really fun. I actually just met a follower right now, and he has this RT that shoots flames. He's got a video of it, and he's gonna show us. This thing is nuts. Oh my God. So many cool cars today. Like, I gotta show you the GT350R. Maybe if you're around, and I'll have my friend come by and I can show you. It's nuts. It's like the next morning, and unfortunately I wanted to meet up with one of a mutual friend of mine that has a BMW M5. It makes 750 wheel, but he wasn't free. So I think we're just gonna have to end the vlog right here. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.